Regrets. Everybody has them and we feel bad after we do something. We can't change the past, but we can change the future and our actions that we take to develop what we want. And so today I want to share with you the top 5 regrets that people have so that I can prevent you from having the same regrets that these people had, so that you can live a true fulfilling life and be the best person that you can be. And these top 5 regrets comes from a nurse who is working in a retirement home with elderly people. And so what she did was survey all of these people, and the top 5 regrets I'm going to share with you in this video so that you can avoid them. I'm not here to waste your time, so let's get straight into it. Regret number 5 is I wish I had let myself be happier. So to avoid this regret, I want you to make a bucket list of everything that you have ever wanted to do. You don't have to think of everything in a one instant, but just have a list of things that you would like to do and just keep adding to it each time that you think of something new. Then every single day that you live, I want you to check off one thing. It doesn't have to be big every day. It might be go and call your grandma and say, I love you, or something like that. It might be to go skydiving or bungee jumping, something that is going to make you happy and feel like you're actually living. This is going to bring joy and something to look forward to each and every single day of your life. Don't settle for just being miserable for the rest of your life, living an average life that you don't really like or enjoy. Don't just aim for money or fame. Aim for a lifestyle that you enjoy living, that makes you happy on a daily basis. Pick a career or a job that makes you excited to jump out of bed every morning. Not, oh, the alarm's gone off, I have to get out of bed to go to my boring job that I hate. No. Pick a direction that is going to make you filled with purpose, filled with a fulfilling love for what you do. And so doing something for a passion is how you're going to live a truly happy life. Regret number 4 is I wish I had stayed in touch with my friends. Too many people get caught up in their own lives, almost on the grind of some sort, and they don't really experience the true friendships and relationships that life has to offer. And so what happens is they get so caught up in going to work, trying to earn money, so that they can make it, and they lose the golden friendships that they form in high school, in college or university. Wherever you form those friendships, they lose that connection because they get stuck with the work. They get held down by the grind. And so what I want you to do and encourage you to do is find a balance between the grind and working and actually hanging out with your mates and having some fun every once in a while. Make that a priority too, because the reason you're on the grind is to achieve the lifestyle you want to live. And that comes with being friends and sharing it with people you love. Every time that your mates invite you out to do something, don't always skip it instantly and go ahead and work or grind it out, as they would say, because you will lose that connection with them. So to make sure that you don't regret this, make your friendships a priority and seeing your friends a priority, and don't lose those connections because you're doing too much work. Regret number 3 is I wish I had the courage to express my feelings. This is a perfect example of why you need to do what you want to do, not what others want you to do or expect you to do. And in reality, nobody really cares about what you're doing, except for maybe your mum or your grandma. Nobody really cares about what you're doing because they're always so caught up in their own lives. So get over that one thing that's holding you back from achieving your goals, and I promise you it's not going to be as bad as you think it is. If judgment from others is holding you back from achieving your goals and starting your journey, I want you to think about what you're going to feel like laying in your deathbed if you never gave it a shot, never even tried to give it a go. How are you going to feel? You're going to be filled with regret. If you had have just tried it out, you would have at least known how you would have felt after doing it. If you give it a go, it's not going to be as bad as you think it is, and it is going to work out if you stick at it consistently. You're never going to know if you never try. So you have to put in the work and you have to give it a go to just get it started. Regret number 2 is I wish I hadn't worked so hard. Yes, working hard is an amazing trait to have and it is a valuable one, but you have to find that balance between working hard and spending time with people that you love and value their connection with their relationship. because these elderly people that now regret what they did, they lost time with their loved ones, with their family, and with those they deeply cared about because they got too caught up in just working and working and working. They didn't take a step back to slow things down and spend the time on the things that they enjoy doing. And this caused disconnected relationships. So pick a career that you can have that work to life balance so that you can have that family time that you need and that you will enjoy so that you don't regret it later down the track. You only get one life, so make your priorities straight and make it one that you actually enjoy, not one that you regret. And finally, regret number 1 is I wish I had the courage to live a true life to myself, not what others expected of me. I want you to stop worrying about that social pressure and that judgment that you're so afraid of, because it's this one factor that holds so many people back from achieving their goals. If you just take that first step, I promise you, mate, it's not going to be as bad as you think it is. And all you're going to realize after taking that first step is that you have just been procrastinating around the problem, and it wasn't really a problem at all if you just take that first step. Once you take that first step, you're going to realize, and it's going to open up a whole new world for you. So you can only control your actions and how you respond to it. Don't let those people judging you and hating on you win by giving up on your goal. You have to prove them wrong. You have to keep going and be strong within yourself so that you can keep making progress towards your goal and prove them wrong in the end. Build up the courage and the determination to put that first foot forward and start. And you're going to be so thankful that you did, because you're not going to regret it later in life. If any of these things made a connection with you, I encourage you to just put that first foot forward, disregard everything else, and just start. I encourage you to do this because you're going to be so much better off when you're laying on your deathbed. You're not going to have any regrets if you just started. At least you're going to know how it turned out. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got value from it, and I hope that you took away something that you can actually implement into your own life. If you want something extra, I have a completely free mini course linked in the description down below, completely for free, so that you can start building those healthy habits, building that discipline, and a completely free workout guide to go along with it. Go down there, hit the subscribe button, and then pick it up completely for free as well while you're down there. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.